A piece of mysterious raw stone, troughed through tempering, would it become steel? With 100 years of ingenuity, to what extent of fine crafting would it lead the era? Elegant shape. Elegant and slender shape, covered by metallic body, completing fusion with force and beauty. Perfect protection. $2mm integral 304 stainless steel panel, together with drilling and prying resistant, accomplishing higher protection level. Smart inside. Semiconductor fingerprint sensor, gun-safe encryption algorithm, extreme accurate identification in millisecond, a grip to ensure a safety life. Intelligent CPU IC card, each is separately encrypted to prevent unauthorized copy. 20 digits virtual password to prevent peeking. Concealed cylinder. C-Class anti-theft level, intelligent alarm mortise. Defense outside. The inner and outer door lock are controlled by independent processors. Effective protection is ensured from violent external attack. The technically formed metal Faraday cage protects the entire inner shell, defending the external core components and resisting external electromagnetic interference. Elegant shape, metal protection, smart inside, defense outside. Siemens Smart Door Lock.